Now take your printer out of the box and also remove the orange tape carefully. So just remove all the tapes. The one will go into the ink cartridge chamber and some will stay on the outside. So once you remove all them, now plug in the power supply cord which is at the one side and switch on the printer. Now go to the display screen and select the language and just confirm the language you want to use here. Now you will see this manual setup or the start setup process here, so click on that. Now once you see this, scroll down the next screen and at the end you will see the press OK button. So once you confirm it, now it says to install the ink cartridges and open the ink cartridge door. Now to do that, we go on the printer and the ink cartridge chamber can be accessed from the top, so you just have to lift it from one side and take it up. It will hold itself and you will see the ink cartridge chamber is there and that will stabilize itself. These are the ink cartridges you get and you have to just take out all the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. So there is a seal on that, so you just have to remove from the orange seal. So push it and it will take the ink cartridge out. Also remove the orange cap which is a seal for the ink, so you have to push it outside and move it one side. Now do it for all ink cartridges. Now to install the ink cartridges, you can see there are the colors and the markings. Just match the color and just install the ink cartridge there. So you simply have to place the ink cartridge and there and slide it downwards, it will lock itself. Do it for the all 5 ink cartridges one by one. So once we install all the ink cartridges, as you can see here, now close the door by pushing it upwards or downwards. It will close itself and you don't have to worry, it won't fall down. Now go on the display screen and click OK that the genuine Canon ink tank is filled. Now start the alignment for the print quality to improve. So we just confirm yes, and once you confirm yes, it will ask to load the A4 size sheets on the printer. So just click OK. Now the loading page tray is there, cassette tray, so you can just slide it out and you can install the A4 size sheets here. So just adjust the size with the size adjuster, install the pages there. So as you can see here, now this printer has a automatic output tray which will come out itself. Now once you do it, just confirm on the screen. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes for the printer to alignment. It will print alignment pages. You don't have to scan these pages, it will do everything itself. Once it is done, just confirm on the main screen and we are ready to use the printer. So overall this printer is really good and you can use it without worrying. Thanks for watching.